If you're on the hunt for a visual knowledge management tool, you might have come across Scrintal. But does it really stand out in a crowded space? Let's dig into what makes it tick and whether it's worth your time. Scrintal positions itself as a visual knowledge management tool that merges note-taking with mind mapping. At its core, it allows users to create a visual web of interconnected ideas, which can be particularly appealing for visual learners or those who thrive on seeing information laid out graphically. The user interface is clean and intuitive, making it relatively easy to jump in and start organizing thoughts. You can create notes, link them, and even add images, which can be a game changer for brainstorming sessions. However, I noticed some features that feel a bit underdeveloped, such as limited export options and some lag when handling larger files or more complex maps. The target audience seems to be students, researchers, and professionals who need to manage large amounts of information visually. Still, some might find the tool lacking in depth for more advanced project management needs, leaving you wondering if it can truly replace more robust solutions. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, Scrintal's visual approach to knowledge management can really help users connect ideas more fluidly, which is great for creativity. It's also user-friendly, so you won't spend hours figuring out how to use it. However, there are some downsides. The limited export options might frustrate those needing to share their work in various formats. Plus, if you're dealing with a lot of information, the performance can lag, which could be a deal breaker for some. And while it's designed for visual learners, those who prefer traditional note-taking may not find it as appealing. If you're looking for comprehensive project management tools, you might want to explore alternatives that offer more robust features. In conclusion, Scrintal could be a valuable tool for visual learners and those looking to manage information creatively. However, if you need advanced features or seamless sharing capabilities, you might want to consider other options. Overall, it's worth a try, but keep your specific needs in mind before diving in.